Chalo, let's go. Munnar is about 80 kilometers from this town. The forest section would start right now. I think that's the Rajapalyam dog. I guess so. Oh, 78 kilometers, Munnar. Let's say slightly entering into Kerala again. Munnar is in Kerala. So still in Tamil Nadu. The checkpost, I guess, should be 10 to 15 kilometers. Any rider would love to ride on this kind of a single road terrain. I guess the lorry guy, now the bike guy just turned his light on. He said, just wait. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh. There's a checkpost here. I think we might have to take an entry here. Thank you, sir. Very clearly it says, do not feed animals. He just let me go. Well, there's no timing as such that I could read out. But they said, go, go, go. The forest guard said me just leave. So right now inside this forest, what is here? What is that? There are monkeys. There are monkeys here. Tamil Nadu forest, Anamalai. Part of Anamalai. Munnar, 70 kilometers. These are the forest officials. Slightly and lightly cleaning up the forest. These are, I guess, the Adivasis. Wow. Okay, you'll find the wild elephant here. Can find some wild elephants. Nice forest. I liked it. Like to ride on these kind of roads. Wow, beautiful peacock. I guess y'all can see it. It just ran off. As soon as we braked, it just moved off. Well, first animal, or the first bird, the national bird, peacock. Well, I just met the forest guard here. He started to scold me. He said, no, you can't park. Just go. Last night only there was an elephant attack up here. Just keep going from here. He said, move on, move on, move on. Ride and drive slow inside the forest. This will help you to get some sighting of the wild animals, and it is also safe for us. Come on. Wow. That was deadly, dude. I don't know whether you guys can see it, but it's a rocky mountain where the clouds are actually touching in. That's really nice. Cannot take a selfie, man, because that forest official will anytime come and kick us. He'll ask us to leave. Small water flow. A rider responding to another rider. Well, I guess this is one forest route or something like that where public is not allowed. I guess so. Okay, the forest is almost over. Sir? Sir, na ponuma na polama. Thank you. He said, you just leave. Oh my God, that's the Kerala checkpost, huh? I don't know what's going to happen up here. Let's get recorded. Let's see what's going to happen up here. Oh, the other people were getting checked. I didn't get checked. They just let me go. What are the rules and regulations here, man? I guess we need to do an entry here. K03 helmet मारना. Just go there, enter your name, and you're done. You're welcome. हाँ ഞാൻ എഴുതി സർ. Well, as soon as we enter into Kerala, we need to first place there were a lot of checkups happening up. The Tamil Nadu registered vehicles, everything were getting checked. They were checking them, but they didn't check me. They just let me go. And here when I came, they asked me my name, vehicle number, how many people? One person. They said, okay, go. This is all the forest official people. I can see the high tension wires going there. On the top, it says Munnar, 51 kilometers. Rainy season, this place would be really nice. I think over there and all you'll have nice waterfalls which will be flowing. And this mountain peak, na, it keeps going, it keeps going, it keeps going. I could see one peak point on that corner there. Of course, it's not going to get recorded in the camera. Deadly. Deadly. That is where we came from. You can see the river just flowing down. Wow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Beautiful. Guys, I guess you can see the river just flowing down, man. That is so nice. It's really so nice to look. These are the langurs. Wow, these are langurs. The forest department. These are the langurs. Oh, let's go. I don't know why is he honking, man. It's not necessary for you to honk, bro. Please don't honk, and his door is opened. Helping the car guy to close his door. I think he's not understood. This is where the Adivasi colony, it is Munnar Adivasi colony, goes into this. And why do I miss this a lot? This is Kirimurti Falls. Please take ticket before bathing photography. Where do we take the ticket? ഈ ടിക്കറ്റ് എവിടെ എടുക്കണ്ടേ? അപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിലാ? പക്ഷെ പോകാൻ പറ്റുമോ? താങ്ക്സ്. ഞാൻ വരാം. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞാൻ അങ്ങോട്ട്. She asked me to take a ticket. I said I'll come and take it. Do you think we need to take the ticket? Yes, we need to.
How close you can go.